What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, consider hitting that subscribe button down below. Today we're talking about a sweet pistol that I've been wanting to review for a while, and that is the SIG P320 X-Five Legion. I want to thank my friends over at Impact Guns in Ogden, Utah for lending me this gun for the review. I'll be sure to leave all of their social media down in the description below, so be sure to check them out and let them know I sent you. I hope this video helps you out in your decision to potentially buy a P320, not necessarily the X-Five, but any of the SIG P320 line. Now, I'm not one to really talk about being a full-size gun person, even though I carry a Glock 17, but this gun is one that you should not pass up on.
The SIG P320 X-Five Legion is the first P320 in SIG's Legion lineup. It is the first striker-fired pistol in the Legion series of pistols. The P320 is everything that SIG should be out of the box. A great shooter with aftermarket-looking features. This gun rocks a 5-inch bull barrel with the Legion Gray PVD slide with cuts to lighten the weight, as well as the new flat-face skeletonized trigger. SIG boasts that it is 24% lighter than the previous iteration. The slide also has an adjustable rear sight plate, and the optic footprint is that of the Romeo 1 Pro Series lights, as well as the Delta Point Pro. Both can be co-witnessed with the Dawson Precision fiber optic front sight. The grip module weighs almost a pound and is what SIG calls the TXG tungsten-infused heavy X-grip module. You also receive the 3 17-round magazines with anodized aluminum mag bases from Hennings Group. This is combined with the aluminum removable magwell.
Now this gun has a lot of favorable features that I think a lot of you will like, and I found it really fun to shoot. I think SIG is really on the right track by placing it in the Legion series of their pistols. Now let's fire some rounds downrange and see how this gun performs. Now, I wouldn't necessarily recommend you conceal carry this because it's so large, but there are some of you out there that actually probably would. The ones that carry open, this is definitely a good weapon. I mean, it's probably even a good duty weapon, arguably. You could even off-body carry too, which is probably a good option. And I've talked about that in my Vertex off-body carry bag. Which I'll leave a link for in the corner here. This gun is definitely not for everyone. The size of it may pose an issue for people with small hands, although I have seen people with small hands actually maneuver this gun well. Don't let me tell you what to do, you carry what you want. I would say even that this gun is geared towards competitive shooters, but that is really up to you. If you want to carry it daily, you can do that as well. I think the features on the X-Five has really gone to show that SIG has really wanted to knock this one out of the park. What I think is really cool is that all the features that people tend to add to the gun aftermarket, SIG decided to include right out of the box. The slide cuts, the grip module, the trigger, pretty much everything you see on this gun. I mean, they really tried to, I wouldn't say combat the aftermarket potential for this, but I'd say they tried to make it so that it's an all-in-one package for a lot of the consumers out there. If it were up to me, I actually wouldn't change much about this gun. It has pretty much everything you want, and I mean the optic cut on here is definitely worth the money. And then the magwell, pretty much everything that you see on this gun is definitely worth what you pay for. So I would be very comfortable in saying that this gun is one that I think most of you will be very pleased with. Compared to the other P320 models, I mean, this one is definitely premium. Aside from the VTEC model, I think you're getting a lot out of the box, and I feel like even with the 3 mags with the base pads and everything like that, that's a nice touch, and I think SIG has really tried to market towards people that love those premium features. I do really enjoy shooting this gun, and I think SIG has really listened to their buyers and their consumers. What do you like or dislike about the P320s, whether it be the Legion, whether it be the original, the VTAC? I'm curious. Leave all of your thoughts in the comments below. If this video helped you out in any way, go ahead and hit a like down below. It really helps out the channel and I appreciate it very much. That is going to be all for today's review. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.